I'm letting you off.
Oh my god, guys.
Walk. Ready? Go.
Go find the stalker.
Go. He's not as excited as I thought he was going to be.
Going into the depths of the Kanshamian jungle. One side. What's that, Gus?
What did you say, Gus? Gus. What's it? Go.
We've been jogging up this hill for the last 3 days. It's getting difficult. It's getting really hard.
Come on, man.
All we've had to eat is nettles and grass. Signs of civilization.
Oh my God! It's a rock!
What's that noise, Holly? Yonder.
Uh-oh, it's a combine harvester!
Oh my God!
Get out of the way!
It's really coming fast!
It's got a big metal thing!
It's gonna chop us into little pieces.
I got myself that brand new combine harvester!
I've got a brand new combine harvester, is what you were getting for. This is the scariest thing we've encountered on our travels.
It's big, man!
I don't think we're gonna get past it. It's gonna chew us up.
I don't think we're gonna make it! It's too damn big! We got two options. We can turn back and go that way, or we can run.
Let me put my strap around my neck and say, let's run!
Gus is tripping me up!
I made it! That's the most exhilarating experience. Running away from a combine harvester. We'll be back with more adventures.